Hi, my friends. This is Ashton Blake. And what I'm going to talk about today is the Traffic Authority's brand new $50,000 90-day accelerator. And this 90-day challenge, what you get out of it is a cash prizes, free traffic prizes, and monthly giveaways. And all you got to do is complete simple tasks. This is the Traffic Authority 90-day accelerator for the month of August. And what you get out of this is the cash prizes, the free traffic prizes, and the monthly prizes, as you can see here. Now, how you get started is if you sign on any of these systems like the multiple income funnel, another system like list leverage, or even Traffic Authority, which happens to be the fourth income stream. So any of those systems you choose to participate in the 90-day accelerator. And what you do is the daily disciplines where you complete simple tasks like log into your system's back office every single day and then complete an action. So like you want to make sure that you follow the rules because the company will track everything. So you want to make sure that you're doing everything right. So you don't want to be disqualified from this competition. And you can make posts or comment or interact with the Facebook group. The Multiple Income Funnel Facebook group, for example. And even welcome team members, new team members that come in every day. And get 100 points for posting your commissions. As you can see here. Members crushing it every day with the system. Making all kinds of results. Highly recommend this platform, the Multiple Income Funnel. And there's other ways you can get points by purchasing traffic through Traffic Authority. We get 2 points per dollar spent or 4 points per dollar spent. First time orders only. And then you can also purchase the brand new course, Scalability Pro, from Traffic Authority and get 2,000 points. This course, which I highly recommend, course by Daniel Klump, you get 5 modules in bonus training, and also the live masterclass is starting right now, which you can see the recap of all those masterclass that starts every Monday and at 8 p.m. and literally like what you learn is like a lot of stuff with email marketing, automation, and basically how to scale your business from zero to full-time income. Like highly recommend. There's like a lot of advanced stuff in this training, and it's a really good course. And you also get 250 points for getting commissions and selling the multiple income funnel, the other system like list leverage, or even Traffic Authority, as you can see here. And even the annual sale for the multiple income funnel, which you get $200 per year in commissions, you get 1,000 points for that, and even 2,000 points for selling the course Scalability Pro. And then, and here's the daily discipline, as you can see here again, showing you what to do. And the monthly prizes can get for August, for the month of August, you get like the Apple MacBook Pro, and you get like a Apple iPad Air, and even can get the Boss wireless speaker, and also some free traffic as well for the 4th and 5th place. And there's different prizes every month for September and even October that's coming soon. And for the first place winners, you get like the top 5 winners, you get cash prizes. And even traffic for the first 200 place of people. Like if you're like with a range of 200 in the leaderboards, you literally get to share 20,000 clicks of traffic package. So everybody basically gets a prize for something. So long as if you're in the 200th place. But right now, for me in the scoreboards, I'm 93, so I'm way above that. So like anybody can be on top of the leaderboards and really crush it. Even be among the possibly the top 5. But with my bonuses, if you watch the end of this video, I can give you free traffic to like give you a head start, even probably to surpass my position. So like I highly recommend that you take a look at this. And for the free traffic bonus, if you sign up for the multiple income funnel annual membership, you upgrade to the $200 per year in commissions. What you'll get is not only 1,000 points for the 90-day accelerator, you'll also get 100 free clicks. But that's not all. For step 2, income stream 2, easy 1-up, you can also get some free traffic as well for my free solo ad campaign. So either if you sign up for the Vertex Elite and get another 100 free clicks, or Vertex Pro and get 1,000 free clicks, and you can take advantage of this free traffic with my top solo ads that gave me sales in the past. And I really highly recommend this offer. It's a really good offer. And plus what I'll do is I'll do an email follow-up for you. I'll use any of my squeeze pages like this, and I'll put your links in there, all encoded, for like your video sales letters, for example, to capture the leads. And I would also will send the traffic to either multiple income funnel or easy 1-up, your choice. I'll give you 10 email swipes to start your email marketing. And if you start from the lower levels and work your way up, I'll still give you free traffic when you move up to Vertex Elite or Vertex Pro. That's 2 free traffic opportunities you can leverage with this system. Plus buyer leads included. So people who joined business opportunities in the past, and these are highly targeted leads for any Make Money Online business. Highly recommend this. And since I'm not on Vertex Live, I'm still on Vertex Pro. You still be able to get my sponsor bonuses and the email swipes. And with a choice of the multiple income funnel, which you should already have, but you want to head to the easy 1-up to take advantage of this. So that's pretty much what you get. And also, you get free traffic from the company as well. Now, if you attend any of Daniel Klum's Facebook Live daily wake-up calls, and if you're a new member or your first 30 days of the multiple income funnel, you can get about 250 or to 500 clicks by participating in any of those wake-up calls. As you can see here, wake-up calls here. He does it every day, like five days a week, Monday through Fridays. And that's so much opportunity. You can get sales like this, as you see on the screen. And that's pretty much it as far as that goes. Okay, please click the link down below in the description where you join the multiple income funnel to participate in the 90-day accelerator and also take advantage of my free traffic bonuses. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the inside.